In a land far, far away, there lived a little boy named Kai. He was no ordinary boy, for he was the brave Ninjago Ninja. Every day, Kai would train hard to become stronger and wiser. He practiced his ninja moves, climbed tall mountains, and swam across vast oceans. One day, while training, Kai heard a soft whisper. It was his sensei, Master Wu, who told him of a great danger approaching Ninjago. With a determined look, Kai set off on an adventure. He journeyed through dense forests, crossed rushing rivers, and climbed steep mountains. Along the way, he met new friends, like the clever Cole and the fast Zane. Together, they promised to protect Ninjago from the evil Lord Garmadon. In the heart of the city, they found the great crystal of peace. Lord Garmadon had stolen it, and with it, he could destroy Ninjago. But Kai and his friends were not afraid. They fought bravely, using their ninja skills to defeat Lord Garmadon. With a final, powerful blow, Kai retrieved the crystal of peace. With the crystal safe, Ninjago was saved. Kai and his friends returned as heroes, celebrated by the citizens. From that day forward, Kai continued to protect Ninjago, always ready for a new adventure. And he never forgot the lessons he learned, that teamwork, courage, and friendship can overcome any obstacle. As the sun set, Kai looked out over the city, a proud smile on his face. He was Kai, the brave Ninjago Ninja, and he would always protect his home. The end.